Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the Men's Essentials channel. Today I want to talk about this jacket I found surprisingly at Walmart, but I really liked it. So before I get into the jacket, I just want to remind you guys on this channel I make videos about men's accessories and essentials like sunglasses, watches, men's grooming products, just anything that I think is an essential item men should own. So if that's something you're interested in, please like and subscribe. Anyway, getting into this jacket, guys, like I said, I was walking around Walmart and I saw this jacket for about 20 bucks. I did get it on sale. I think it's $40 online now, and I haven't seen it at my local Walmart anymore. So maybe you guys have it, I don't know, but I just want to recommend this one because I got a chance to test it out over the week or last week when it snowed where I live. It was snowing pretty hard and it was pretty cold and windy. As you can see here, I got some snow on it. It was windy and cold. I did wear 2 layers. I wore another sweatshirt under this jacket, but I still felt pretty warm. I didn't feel any air coming through. It's a pretty heavyweight and good jacket. The snow was just falling off. And I didn't feel any moisture on it when I went back inside. I honestly felt like I could have walked a mile or two in this jacket and I would have been just fine. I would have been warm and would not have had any issues. From the website, so actually the brand is called Free Assembly. It seems like this is a brand that Walmart wants to promote more. They do have some fashionable clothing that I liked, so I might buy some more of their stuff. But yeah, Free Assembly on the website, it says, from the streets to a well-beaten country road, Free Assembly's classic box quilted jacket offers great warmth and style. The perfect transitional weather staple exclusively at Walmart. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually agree with what they say about warmth and style. I think it's a good looking jacket and I was really warm. I got a size medium and I'm about 5'7" and 200 pounds. And it did not feel tight or small. So just giving you guys some reference there. The zippers, as I was showing them, they're pretty cool, at least on this color that I got. The camo jacket, it's like a bright orange that sticks out and I think it goes well with it. So it has a high neck collar, it's got that pocket up front. It's just a good jacket. It's warm. I really like it, guys. So if this is something you're interested in, I would highly recommend it. Go look, maybe your local Walmart still has it, or check it out online. I'll leave a link in the description. It's 40 bucks online, but honestly that's cheap for a jacket of this quality. We'll see how it holds up for a year or two, but yeah, I highly recommend it, guys. Go check it out. That's pretty much all I had to say about this jacket. Let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.